Okay guys, so today I finally got my Boxycharm in the mail, so I thought I would unbox this and try on all the products. I looked what was in the box so I could do my makeup accordingly, so I could try it all on, and yeah, let's just get into this. The theme this month is Vacation, and the first item in the box are these South Main eye gel packs. There are 3 sets and these retail for $10. These are just little gel masks that go right on your under eye to hydrate. I'm obviously not going to try those on right now because I already have my makeup on, but I will give these a try some other time and let you guys know what I think about them. Next thing in the box is this Pretty Vulgar blush. And I got mine in the shade Hush Blush. It's just a nice nude color. The packaging looks really pretty, but it feels super cheap. It's just like really flimsy plastic. Don't know if that matters to you at all, but let's go ahead and try this on. Okay, yeah, this is really powdery, so tap that off. Ooh, and it's really pigmented too. Okay, so that is really pigmented and really powdery. I don't know if you can see all that powder in there. Yeah, look at all of that powder. Super powdery. But it is a really pretty color and it blended really nice, so I don't hate it. And this blush retails for $26. And the next item in the box is from the Vintage Cosmetic company, and it is the Smokey Eye brush set. Comes with 3 brushes, and this retails for $23.15. It's kind of a weird number, but okay. So here are the 3 brushes. It says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, step 3 go girl go. And the next item in the box is this palette by Pure Cosmetics and Boxycharm apparently. And here it is. This really interesting colors, not like a neutral palette that they have been giving us a lot lately. It's got some nice colors in there for spring. So I'm going to use these brushes and try to create a look with this. See what happens. Don't know what look I'm going to do, but we'll figure it out, I guess. And I'm going to take the step 1 for the money brush and this shade Perfect and pack that on my lid. That shade actually had a lot of fallout. Not that you can see it because it's my skin tone, thankfully, but I'm going to try to tap off my brush for the other shades so I don't have that problem. And this brush set didn't come with a blending brush, so I'm just going to take this one from Moda that we got in a Boxycharm last year and take the shade Naked, which looks like a satin finish, and I'm going to run that as my transition shade. Next, I'm going to take the shade Belle and run that in my crease as well. So in this palette, I feel like the only matte shades are Perfect and BFF. These two are more satin, if anything. I wouldn't call them matte. They look pretty shimmery on the eye. And these two are matte shadows with glitter in them, and the rest are just metallic. So there's not very many transition shades, there's not very many crease shades. I wish there was a better variety for crease shades in this palette, honestly. And these three shades are very, very similar. This one's more orangey, this one's more pink, but these two are the same exact color. This one's just metallic and this one is a satin. Next, I'm going to take the shade Alliance and put that on my lid. And I'm going to try that with the step 1 brush first, see if that works out. If not, I'll just go in with my finger. Yeah, that's doing a whole lot of nothing, so I'm gonna try my finger. And then I'm going to take the step 2 for the shadow brush and go into Duet. This is the only brown shade in the palette, and it has a little bit of purpley pink micro glitter in it, but don't really have any other options. So I'm going to take this and tap it off a lot and try to deepen up the outer corners with this shade. And then I'm going to blend that out with the shade Naked. Okay. I don't know about this palette so far, guys. It's just not blending very well, honestly. And the dark brown just looks really patchy. And when you blend out the dark brown, the glitter that's in it completely disappears. So I don't know what the point of having it in the shadow in the first place is. I don't know. But I feel like the glitter just fell out of the shadow and onto my cheeks, even though I tapped my brush very, very thoroughly. I don't know. I just don't like these shadows very well. Even the two crease shades that I used didn't blend very well either, so I don't know. The metallic shade is really pretty though, so I don't know. And for the lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade MIA and put that on the lower lash line because that's pretty. And I'm taking the step 3 Go Girl Go brush. Okay, I like that blue. That is pretty. Now I'm just going to put on some eyeliner really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just did a wing with my Physicians Formula liner, and I tight lined with my L'Oreal Silkissime black liner, and then I put a mint eyeliner on the waterline to make the lower lash line pop, so the blue stands out a lot more and distracts from the crappy matte shadow. And I forgot to say the eyeshadow palette retails for $36. Okay, and the last thing in the box is this mascara. This is the Butter London Double Decker Mascara. And this mascara retails for $20. Okay. So here is the wand. Lots of bristles. Okay, so here is one eye done. Okay, so this is a very dry mascara, which I prefer. It's not clumpy at all. It gives me a lot of volume and length, so I really like this. So I'm gonna do the other eye really quick. Okay, so going through all of the products, the blush was really pigmented, but it blended out really easily and I like the color, so I like this. The eye gels I haven't tried yet, but I will keep you updated on whether I like them or not. The eye brushes they're okay. I wish there was a blending brush because a flat shader, an angled brush, and a smudging brush just can't complete a full eye look with these, in my opinion anyways. But these worked okay. They were a little stiff, but yeah, they were okay. The eyeshadow palette, I was pretty disappointed in this, honestly. The colors looked really pretty and I was really excited to try this, but the mattes they're just not very good at all. These shimmers are really pretty though, so this is kind of a meh palette. And then lastly, the mascara. I really like this. This is the product I had the least amount of hope for, but I like this one the best out of the whole box. This is my favorite product. That's very unusual for me, but there you go. Okay, so the total value of this month's box is $115.15. Kind of weird number, but whatever. And I mean, you're only paying $21 for the box, so obviously, even if you only like one or two products, it's definitely worth it. The mascara that I really like is $20, so that pays for my box right there. But I hope you like this video and give it a thumbs up if you got this month's Boxycharm, and tell me what you think about the products in your box, what your experience with the eyeshadow palette is, because I'm really interested to see if anybody likes the matte shadows, because they didn't blend very well for me, but I'm interested to see if maybe they worked better for you. Let me know, and I will see you in my next video.